This is the third mobile phone screen protector I have cracked in a month. Maybe this will work?
Great idea to start with, but now try to make it tougher than glass, just as hard, and make sure it never chips on the edges. And be sure to make it from 100% recycled materials, crystal clear and cuttable to fit any screen instantly. Good luck with that. ScreenArmor's Ballistic Glass is made from 100% recycled materials, and any leftovers are recyclable too.
The tempered glass guys sent this over. They don't use it.
More for us then.
Let's talk about environmental impact. On this single pallet are 46,000 ballistic glass screen protectors. But for the same amount of tempered glass, you need a 20-foot shipping container. ScreenArmor Ballistic Glass, the sustainable successor to tempered glass.